हमारे नए गली न्यूज़ इंडिया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।
I am Suhail Khindwani, a businessman, social entrepreneur and on the board of Mahim Dargah and Hajali Dargah. I have been asked a few questions for which I'll be having my say on it. The first question which was put up was, what message would you like to give to those attendees of Jamaat who are yet to self-declare? I would like to request them to self-declare so that we can take necessary precautions and avoid any fear of spread of the disease. I would like to inform them that self-declaration will not only save the life through timely treatments if required, but will help in getting it transferred to their surrounding people and associates. Their self-declaration will make the work of the health department easier in identifying and focusing their efforts to control the pandemic. As on date, this is the only way out to stop this deadly disease. The second question which was put up, what would I like to tell them why it is absolutely necessary that they self-declare? My answer to this is, as I have said it earlier, as on date, there is only one way to stop this spread of this deadly disease. Self-declaration is for the well-being and the benefit of all. I am absolutely sure that nobody wants to see their near and dear ones die in front of their eyes. We need to cooperate and support each other in those challenging times. The third question which was put up was, wouldn't you say it is anti-Islamic to hide and jeopardize the safety of the community? I would say this is for the well-being of one and all. It is not related to any religion. We all are human beings and we need to save ourselves from this pandemic. The fourth question, how would you allay this fear of those who think there is some stigma attached to those who self-declare? I would like to inform them this is a common viral disease and currently it is fiercely because we are still unaware of the needed medication. However, it is a viral infection and anybody can be easily affected with it. It is not a stigma at all. Besides, we are comparatively in a better position to get recovered from it than in other countries. Getting treated and recovered is for best of all. The fifth question, what would you like to say to those who have been quarantined and are creating nuisance in isolation wards? Actually, this disease causes psychological stress too, along with physical and mental issues. I am sure that out of the couple of those thousands people who are quarantined, most of them have adhered to the procedure prescribed by the administrative machineries. My appeal to those who have not and are creating nuisance is that your nuisance will yield nothing and will instead create a bad name. I appeal to you all to act sensibly in the time of crisis and make the effort of the health department successful to control the spread of this disease. I would request them to be patient and cooperate with the doctors. This will only help them to recover fit and healthy and resume their normal life with their near and dear ones. And finally, I was asked to give what will be a final appeal to those who are hiding. Can you tell them why it is absolutely necessary that they self-declare, not just for their own self, but for the family and community? Of course, I would like to appeal to all of you as a brother by reminding you that by coming forward and getting yourself tested, you are not only saving your own self, but also your loved ones and other around you in particular. I would like to conclude with this message that coming forward without fear now is your ultimate national duty. Thank you.